Hi, this is Frela from Any House Cleaning. Doing a brand new 2019 single-story house. The kitchen is an open kitchen next to the living room. What I like about this kitchen is built-in wood. It's a maple cabinetry. Also, what I love about this kitchen is the countertops that are quartz. Quartz are between 20 and 40% more expensive than granite. Easy to maintain, and you cannot put hard chemicals. Just use a cloth, microfiber cloth, and water and some mild detergent. What I love also about this brand new house made by Leonard is the stainless steel. This is the brand new, new generation General Electric stove, and the microwave is stainless steel but no fingerprints. So it's wonderful. You don't have to polish, just to clean it really good. This is the oven, also General Electric, and the refrigerator, high efficient, General Electric. Stainless steel, but this is the good quality. I love this quality. So we are cleaning all the surface from top to bottom. Hilda is cleaning the cabinetry inside and out to remove some dust. In the meantime, Thais is taking out some paint from the corners. There is some paint on the floor. This is a brand new floor. Tile floor, but looks like wood, right? Monica is cleaning the master bathroom, and we have, after Thais finished in that room, we have to clean inside and out this sliding door, remove all this dirt, because a lot of new construction right here, and we use a protein backpack vacuum to remove that sand and flies, dead flies. We also have to sweep or vacuum this sand that is outside and remove some cobwebs. So we use a special tool for the vacuum. That's a corner tool. And I'm gonna start putting some videos how we do this job. This is the first time we clean this house, 2019, and Monica already did the shower. The glass looks fantastic. Everything is brand new. So it's not heavy duty cleaning, but it's a detailed cleaning. And she's looking for any smudges on the mirror. You can check our website, do your research about us, anyhousecleaningservices.com. We do residential and commercial cleaning services. This house has 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. Also, the bathroom has quartz countertops, and the kitchen. Thais already does in detail all the blinds that were covered with fine dust. She needs to clean this area. She just did the wood blinds. One small bedroom right here, brand new carpets. And she's cleaning all the corners in that spot. And the baseboards. She's gonna clean the light fixtures. Be careful. Just gonna shut off the light, right? Be careful. I'm removing some fine dust. Check about our company, our services. It's 100% warranty, risk-free. You don't have to worry about. We have our really good reviews on Google, Yelp, and Facebook. Okay, free in-home estimates. And let me show you the neighborhood. This is a new, highly energy efficient home. And this is a new neighborhood in Champions Gate. They are constructing right now 3-story garage. And we were hired by the owner. And after the first cleaning, we are gonna do a maintenance service every 2 weeks. So if you're in the same situation and you want to protect your investment, your new home, just call us at 407-572-4118. We have a lot of experience in both remodeling cleaning, new construction cleaning, move in, move out. Hardworking people, honest, reliable, and the most important thing is consistent. This owner right now, in the morning, he opened the door through his phone. That's a new system. It's like a smart house or something like that. Cool, right? So the tip, I already told you the tip how to clean this quartz countertop is just with mild detergent, water. Quartz are really easy to clean and more expensive than granite because the difference between quartz and granite is that quartz is a mineral while marble and granite are rocks. Quartz doesn't need to be sealed and it's not porous. However, marble and granite is porous and needs to be sealed every 2 years. Okay? So check us in Facebook, Google, or YouTube, any house cleaning in Champions Gate, Davenport, Florida. Thank you for watching. Bye. Okay, we are done. I'm gonna take my shoes off. I was waiting until the floor dries properly. We left the blinds open, so the owner is gonna check everything. Let's see, bathroom. Everything is clean from top to bottom. Pixie extend right here. She removed some spots of paint that was here. Perfect. Also, this light fixture had black dead flies. So, shut off, right? Good. Right now you cannot see nothing on the floor. Let me do a zoom right here. Quartz, contour. Everything is clean. Hilda, oh, there is some stain on the door. Okay. Oh, let's see. Okay. Hilda swept the garage. Good. Floor looks clean. The other side. This is the way I do business. I always take photo on before and after. Something is crawling there. Those flies are everywhere. Okay. Floor is good. Perfect. Oh, that's my battery from my camera. Floor is clean. The rails are clean. Let me close this. Let me close this. Good. I see one fly. It was a fly here. I don't want to step on it. I hate when I step on the... Okay. Last shower. That's mine. Fantastic. It was some water spots, not stains, water spots. I spot on something here. The stain is that the stain doesn't take out easily. Let me do the... Okay. Perfect. I like it. So far, so good. Blinds clean, floor clean. Okay. Let me shut off the lights. Where is the light? Okay. Good. Okay, shut off the light. I think that we have a light here. Okay. Close, lights off. Okay. I'm done. Well, this is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning, and thank you for watching. Bye.